Students, in this video we will discuss about the states of matter. Three types of state of matter are found in our nature: solid, liquid and gas. And the difference between these three states are on the basis of the arrangement of particles. Arrangement of particles. Matter are made up of particles, and you are seeing the difference between solid, liquid and gaseous particles. Particles of solid states are very closely packed with each other. In liquid states, particles are not so closely packed with each other as we see in solid state, and particles of gaseous states are situated at a very far distance from each other. And a type of force which we call attraction of forces are responsible for keeping these particles together, and the increasing order of the forces of attraction is this: that forces of attraction is high in solid, and forces of attraction is less in liquid than solid, and forces of attraction in gaseous states is less than that of solid and liquid. So next thing is that particles of all states are continuously moving, but their speed of the movement is differ from each other. Speed of movement, and first thing we discuss about force of attraction, and second is thing moving, the speed of movement. Speed of movement are differ between these three states. Forces of attraction are very high in solid states, so the particles of solid states are not move with a greater speeds. They just move, but they do not change their position. They move on to their own position. So speed of movement, they have very less comparatively to liquid and gaseous state. Speed of movement, the particles of liquid states has the speed of movement greater than solid but less than liquid states, and the speed of movement particles of gaseous states have more speed than that of solid and liquid. Because of the difference of the forces of attraction, the difference of the speed of the movement are found here. So as we see that particles of gaseous states move very fastly and with a greater speed. So what type of particles here have greater energy and have higher energy? So of course the particles of gaseous states have higher energy comparatively to solid and liquid states. So these are the major difference between these three states of particles on the basis of attraction of force, on the basis of the arrangement of particles, and on the basis of the speed of their movement, or on the basis of the energy that they have possessed. So and these all difference are interlinked to each other. So now we discuss some points. Solid, liquid and gas. Solid has definite shape, distinct boundaries, fixed volume, and these three condition are because of the property that we have discussed now. And negligible compressibility. Compressibility means it is a measure of how much a given volume of matter decreases when placed under pressure. So volume, the space covered by a matter we call volume. So if we put pressure on the solid state, so the volume of solid states cannot be changed because they have very negligible compressibility. So these are the characteristics of solid state: negligible compressibility. They cannot change their shape even with exert pressure on them. They are rigid, they cannot change their shape on applying pressure on them. So they are rigid, and after applying much pressure on them, they can break, but their change cannot change. So that we call rigid. And liquid state have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. Volume means the space occupied by matter we call volume. They have no fixed shape because they attain a shape. They attain a shape of a container in which they are capped. So they have no fixed shape. They are called fluid because they have the characteristics of to flow. They easily flow. So because of these flowing characteristics that they can flow, we call them that they are fluid. They are called fluid. Next is solid, liquid, gas can diffuse into liquids. What is the mean of diffuse? I have told you diffusion. Diffusion means the intermixing of particles of one type of particles into another type of particles, we call that process diffusion. So diffusion means the one type of particles of matter get into the spaces of the other type of particle, that we call diffuse. So solid, liquid, gases can diffuse into liquids. The rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solid. Liquids mean two liquids. The particles of two liquids can diffused into each other, that we call diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solid, because they have much space between them than that of solid. Next is gas. Shape and volume is not fixed in gaseous particles, in gaseous states, and reason behind that space between the particles of gases is very high, and they have situated from each other at a very far distance. They have much space between between these particles and between them. So this is the reason that why their shape and volume is not fixed. Gases are highly compressible as compared to solid and liquid. So compressible means on applying pressure on gas, they can their volume can be changed. And on applying pressure on gas convert into liquid states as their volume gets changed. Volume gets changed means the particles of gaseous states come closer to each other, and as they comes closer to each other means gaseous states convert into water states. CNG and LPG gas are compressed into a small cylinder and transported easily. And CNG and LPG, which is gas, on providing pressure on these gases, they can convert into liquid state. Gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases, like we saw that food vapors get mixed into the air very easily, or get diffused into the between the particles of air. So the smell of cooking food reach very fast to us. So gases show the property of diffusing very fast into other gases due to the high speed of particles and large space between them. So I hope you have understood this. Thank you.